Learn Vital Vocabulary, Part 11, Phrasal Verbs. We learn new words every week. Phrasal verbs. Phrasal verbs have two parts. Part 1 is the verb, like got. Part 2 is the preposition, like up. I got up at 6 a.m. It means I got out of bed. Get over, get up. Did he get over his cold? It means did he get well? Can she get up earlier? Can she wake up earlier? Turn off, turn on, turn up, turn down. Please turn up the TV. It means make it louder. Can you turn down the radio? It means lower the sound. He turned off the light. She turned on the engine, so she started the car. Go on, go off. Please go on talking. It's interesting. It means continue. Did the fireworks go off? Go off means explode. Come on. Come on. We must hurry. It means come with me right now. Verb plus noun plus preposition. In this one, put is the verb, the noun is scarf, and on is the preposition. So with some phrasal verbs, you can add a noun in between the verb and the preposition. She put the scarf on the boy. One phrasal verb can have two meanings, like turn down. She turned down the radio. She lowered the sound. I turned down the invitation to dinner. I refused the invitation. One phrasal verb, but two meanings. Take off. The plane takes off at 10 p.m. Takes off means to leave the ground. I took off my shoes. I removed my shoes. Thank you for visiting the Learn English Classroom. Join us on Facebook and YouTube